What's going on, Electro Drive Nation? Get ready for a rapid-fire update that's going to blow your minds. First up, we've got massive news involving Elon Musk and Tesla. A new filing reveals that Elon Musk himself has purchased a significant chunk of Tesla stock, over 2.5 million shares, to be exact. This move is already sending shockwaves through the market, and we've got all the details on what this means for the future of the company and its stock price. Next, we're digging into the financial forecast for Tesla with insights from Barclays analyst Dan Levy. After a strong third quarter, Levy is weighing in on what's next for TSLA. He's got a critical look at the impact of the federal EV tax credit, and his price target suggests a significant potential downside. Is this strength sustainable, or are we heading for a dip? We'll break down Levy's analysis and what it means for investors. Then, we're heading over to Germany, where Tesla's GigaBerlin factory is ramping up production. Factory chief André Thierig has announced that they are increasing output for both the third and fourth quarters due to surging demand. We'll explore the reasons behind this surge, the new Model Y performance variant, and Thierig's urgent message to the German government about supporting the EV industry. This is a huge development for Tesla's European operations. And finally, we're tying it all together with the market's reaction to Elon Musk's massive stock purchase. We'll show you how Tesla rallied to an 8-month high following the SEC filing that detailed Musk's acquisition of over $1 billion worth of shares. Don't go anywhere, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get into it. Elon Musk buys millions in Tesla stock. In a move that's sending ripples through the financial world, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has significantly increased his stake in the company. A recent regulatory filing has revealed that Musk purchased over 2.5 million shares of Tesla stock. These transactions, which occurred on September 12th, saw the shares acquired at prices ranging from approximately $371 to $396 per share, representing a substantial personal investment. This action by the company's chief executive is often seen as a strong indicator of confidence in Tesla's future prospects. The market has responded with enthusiasm to this news. Following the disclosure of Elon Musk's substantial share purchase, Tesla's stock price saw a significant rally, reaching an 8-month high. Investors and analysts are closely watching, with many interpreting this move as a powerful signal of Musk's belief in Tesla's long-term value and growth potential. But what does this mean for Tesla's immediate future and its stock performance? We'll dive deep into the analyst predictions next. Tesla's Q3 beat. What's next according to Barclays? Tesla is poised to deliver a stronger-than-expected third quarter, largely fueled by a surge in U.S. sales as consumers rush to claim the federal EV tax credit before its September 2025 expiration. However, Barclays analyst Dan Levy is sounding a note of caution, warning that this demand boost might be temporary. Levy anticipates Tesla will deliver around 465,000 vehicles in Q3, surpassing consensus estimates and helping to reduce inventory levels significantly. Levy's analysis highlights that while strong U.S. sales are bolstering current numbers, the real concern lies beyond the current quarter. He predicts a potential sharp drop in demand once the EV tax credit lapses, which could significantly impact Tesla's U.S. volumes in the fourth quarter and beyond. Despite these concerns, Levy maintains an equal weight rating on Tesla, but sets a price target of $275, implying a notable downside potential. Wall Street sentiment remains mixed, with a hold consensus reflecting divided opinions on the stock's future trajectory, especially as investors increasingly focus on Tesla's advancements in autonomy and robotaxis. While the financial outlook is being closely scrutinized, Tesla's physical production is also making headlines. We're heading to Germany to see how the GigaBerlin factory is responding to demand. GigaBerlin production surges amidst rising demand. Tesla's GigaBerlin factory is significantly increasing its production output for the remainder of the third quarter and throughout the final 3 months of the year, according to factory chief André Thierig. This upward revision in production planning is a direct response to what Thierig describes as a very good sales situation and increased demand for Tesla's vehicles, particularly the Model Y. Despite a temporary disruption earlier this year due to the transition to producing a refreshed Model Y version, the factory is now back on track and exceeding expectations. Thierig noted that the plant supplies over 30 markets globally, including Europe, Canada, and the Middle East, and sees positive trends across these regions. Notably, Tesla is now shipping Model Ys from GigaBerlin to Canada, circumventing tariffs on US-made vehicles. The factory has also introduced a new Model Y performance variant in European markets, priced higher than the standard version. Thierig also issued a strong call to the German government, urging clear commitment to promoting electric vehicles to counter pressure from legacy automakers and secure the future of the EV industry in eastern Germany. With production ramping up in Europe and a major stock purchase from its CEO, the market's reaction has been swift and dramatic. We'll reveal the impact on Tesla's stock price next. Tesla stock soars to 8-month high after Musk's major buy-in. Tesla's stock experienced a significant surge, reaching an 8-month high following the disclosure of a massive share purchase by CEO Elon Musk. Regulatory filings revealed that Musk acquired a substantial 2,568,732 shares of Tesla stock. These purchases were executed on September 12th, with transaction prices falling within the range of $371.38 to $396.54 per share, collectively representing an investment well over $1 billion. This substantial buy-in by the company's leader has been interpreted by many in the market as a strong vote of confidence in Tesla's current valuation and future growth trajectory. The rally in Tesla's stock price underscores the significant impact that insider transactions, especially from a high-profile figure like Musk, can have on investor sentiment and market performance. Analysts and investors alike are closely monitoring the implications of this significant capital injection from the top. That's all the explosive news for today, but don't miss our lightning round recap and remember to subscribe. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying electrodrive news. We saw Elon Musk make a massive investment in Tesla, buying over 2.5 million shares. Barclays analyst Dan Levy weighed in on Tesla's Q3 beat and the future impact of EV tax credits. GigaBerlin is ramping up production to meet rising demand, and Tesla's stock hit an 8-month high thanks to Musk's significant purchase. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to electrodrive news for all your EV updates, ring the notification bell so you never miss a story, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on social media for even more electrifying content. We'll see you next time.